Hello guys, welcome to Wagon. Today we're going to be making our window waterproof, pretty much. Water repellent. So let's get started. Some things you're going to need is some glass cleaner. Windex works, you know. I just have this one. Then you want two cloths. And then you're going to want some water repellent, of course. It doesn't have to be this brand, but I highly recommend this one right here. And you want to clean the glass. You know, like how anyone else cleans glass, of course. Quick tip, don't do this while it's really cold outside. That would be bad. Next, you're going to want to put the RainX or water repellent on here. You probably want to take that part off first. So just put it on there. And then rub your windshield in a circular motion that overlaps. Try to make sure this doesn't touch your paint. And, yeah. Okay, so once you get the whole windshield covered in this stuff, then you're going to want to wait for it to haze. You might be able to see that kind of hazing a little bit, but yeah, after that, there's a couple ways you can clean it. You can either clean it with a paper towel and some water, or you can just take a dry cloth and wipe it off. I'm just going to take a dry cloth and wipe it off because that's a little bit of a safer route. Alright, once you get it all wiped off, then I mean you're good to go and your windshield is now officially water repellent. Keep in mind this does work for little side windows or the rear windshield, of course. Just adapt the process to those. Same thing, just adapt it to that size. But yeah, so that's how you water repellify your windshield.